Well, I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor. I don't mind selling out or playing cover songs, just as long as friends and family sing along. And I don't need more money or a faster car, no. Don't need a magazine to call me a superstar, no. I'm gonna take this little house and make a home, and then I'll never have to face my nights alone. 'Cause in my heart I hear speed, and on my face I feel you breathe next to me. Two by land, by air, by sea, and that is how it's supposed to be. Now, and that much I can say now. I'm pulling loaves of bread down from the shelf, and how rare it is that I stay up past 12. In the backyard we are going to start a garden. If that don't sound mighty good, I beg your pardon. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor anymore.
Low maintenance, a sense of community, and easy living. Welcome to Antrim Glen. Located in the rolling hills of Flamborough, yet only 15 to 20 minutes from Cambridge and Waterdown, enjoy the scenic and peaceful country atmosphere without giving up amenities you are accustomed to. This Parkbridge community is a beautiful place to call home 12 months of the year. The community itself is an inviting place. The quiet streets are perfect for your daily walks and visiting with new friends. Right here in the community, you have access to a heated saltwater pool during the warmer months, but all year round, enjoy a host of organized activities in the main building. Whether it's your holiday baking, simply some quiet time reading in the library or sunroom, perhaps billiards, there is so much to do, and it's all just steps away. Antrim Glen, a quiet place and a safe place to call home. To learn more, contact Sarah Middleton and David Kivel from Royal LePage Crown Realty Services.